Hey folks, I hope you are keeping well. I just wanted to share a video of my kitchen makeover that I completed over the Christmas holidays. The PVC wrap was starting to blister and I priced a new kitchen at £7,000. I think they are having a laugh, haha. So I peeled off all the PVC on the 5 drawers and 17 doors and painted them with Valspar wood primer and Valspar Premium Blend V700 wood paint. I also changed the handles and the tiles and painted the walls and ceilings. All for a cool £495 and some elbow grease. This is before. And this is after.
Hey guys, just a quick video. There's a laminate door. You can see here, it's all been puffed out. So what we do is go ahead and take it off. There you go. Go to the top corner. On the left here, turn it. You see how it's lifted? You just take the whole way across. Yes. Simple as it comes away. And that's it. It's MDF all the way around and plywood in the middle. And that's what we're using to change the kitchen. Thank you.
This wine rack cornice has to go. I have taken away the wine rack and the cornicing. Much brighter. All the tiles are off now. Be careful with the plasterboard walls in case you put holes in it when taking the tiles off. I have left everything in the cupboards to save any hassle. I had to get a guy in to plaster. Only one wall is brick, the other 2 walls are plastered. Total cost £50, 10% of my budget. I bought the tiles in B&Q on the clearance shelf. PVC door stripped, the wood has been preserved and is perfect. You need to make sure you fill in the gaps with wood filler. This is the first undercoat of 3 Valspar wood primer undercoats. Use a wee roller and a brush for the corners. If you spill any, make sure to roll it out smooth. After each coat, give a very light sanding with fine grade paper. Use a soft brush on a hoover to lift the dust. Use a dry foam roller to clean and dust the door in between the coats. Second coat going on, make sure each coat is bone dry before the next coat. Third and now the final coat of undercoat. Phew. That's all 3 coats on now and dry. If you roll too fast you will get bubbles, take it nice and easy. All the doors drying inside my polytunnel on wee cups. Keep the doors flat and elevated. If you want to know how to build this 540 square foot pool house with a 16,000 liter or 3,500 gallon pool, let me know. These guys are ready for 2 coats of premium blend V700 wood finishing paint. This is the exact same process as before for the top 2 coats. Watch out for the blistering if you roll too fast. These wee cups help the paint to dry evenly and prevent dripping. Everyone getting a good night's sleep. First door on. These wee handles cost £1 each from AliExpress China. I need 26 but bought 30, delivery took 20 days. All the doors are on. Time to paint and get rid of the dark red paint. It will take 3 coats of white and 2 coats of yellow. I know it is somewhat back to front, but the system suited me at the time as it was still very much a working kitchen. These cheap plastic dust sheets with masking tape cover up all the units. Three coats of white to cover the paint is dry in no time. Two coats of yellow to follow. I am reusing the old cornice PVC wrap. It is still in great shape, just needed a good clean. Get paper and make it the same size as your tile. Use it and cut it around sockets. If you mark the front you can cut it, but do not take off the paper or your jigsaw will scratch the tile. Always keep the part of the tile you need covered up with paper and or masking tape. Got this leftover piece of stainless steel for £10 from a fabrication company. DIY stores charge £80. Slides of the finished kitchen. Before and after.